Ray, time run, Ray. Camera. Ooh, I missed. Camera. Balancing. Woohoo! Time to battle. Another camera. Balancing. Time to battle. Saurus is the winner. Dun dun dun. Robotalion loses. You get to go to the Doom Dimension. Why? How could I do this to him? Oh, whatever. He punched me in the face yesterday. Duh. Destroyer! Pokemon Brawl, the Guardian is here to protect Destroyer. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again. Oh. Where is Destroyer? You're not in Destroyer now, so you're in the universe called Earth. God damn it. I said damn it. Damn it? What's a damn it? Oh, I hate you so much. Shut up. Oh, well, let's try this battle. Okay. Pokemon Brawl. Pokemon Stand. You're gonna. Woohoo. Battle. Use water breath. Oh no, you get to go to the Doom Dimension. Oh. Are you ready, Golem? Oh yeah. Pokemon Brawl, Pokemon Stand. Pokemon Brawl, Pokemon Stand. Oh, you gotta go to the Doom Dimension. The winner is